Number two, I've also seen people pointing fingers at, I've seen a paper, I don't know if it's from Standard or where, saying that who will save Kenya? And you are picking IG photo, you are picking PS photo, you are picking government officials, even the minister.
Yes.
Where are the other politicians from the opposition who are also planning and they are known? I should expect to be seen, if police, you want to target police and they are not doing their work, then tell us also who are sponsoring on the other side, so that there will be fairness. But the moment we use this one and continues spewing negativity on our people, the other day we had the issue of GNC coming in. It was an unfortunate incident. But at the level it had gone, police had to engage. But the moment the police will be engaging at that equal energy and measure, at times it's not friendly. Because those people who are carrying machetes in Homabay, tell me if the police would come. Would you expect police to go with a hand or a whip against that person? The next thing police would use is a bullet. And that will come out the following day. Standard will be saying, police are attacking Kenyans, innocent Kenyans. At that time, it turns to be innocent. So if police stays aside, police, where are you? So where is the real thing? Where is the real game on this?
If perhaps you interacted with Sunday's edition of The Standard, you'd have seen, actually, yes, today's edition of The Standard, the front page and the back page, we put photos of this machete-wielding goons. So today's or tomorrow's paper is all to do with accountability.
Should now tell us, if police are not doing their work,
yes,
they know are sponsoring. I mean, carry the right message to Kenyans.
And that's a good question. Who exactly is sponsoring?
That is it now. Tell us that, because other than pointing fingers and we are not attacking the real issue, you know, we keep propagating. We are just sustaining the fight against the government, and then we are losing on the real battle, on the real issues where it is.
Well, it's not really sustaining a fight against government. It's calling the leaders to account. And perhaps this bites will put context to this particular discussion.